Hi guys, welcome to my brand new channel, Vesna TV Home. So in this channel, you're going to see some home tours, cleaning videos, some renovations, basically kind of anything that has to do with the home. So for my first video, I'm actually showing you how I organized my fall decor. So here are the bins that I'm working with. I'm going to be taking everything out, and then I'm going to be sorting what I need to DIY, what I need to still maybe throw out or fix up, or what I need to make a little bit nicer than it was last year, if I want to redo it or not. And I'll also be organizing kind of what I'm using. For example, I'm doing a DIY for Thursday, so I'm gonna need some stuff from here for that. I want to see what I have too much of, what I need to get rid of. I probably won't get rid of much because although it looks like a lot, I just started decorating for fall last year, like where I really got into it. So this is some Halloween stuff as well. My kids love Halloween, so I'm not getting rid of any Halloween stuff, but maybe I have too much of something or not enough. So I know what to buy, since the stores are getting some of the Halloween stuff right now and the fall stuff. So that's basically the purpose of this video. Let me know if you guys have a better way of organizing or not, but this is kind of my way. I'm going to relabel the boxes. So I've got my sticker paper there, some scissors, just so I know kind of what's where. Because I'm starting to decorate downstairs as well, I've redone our rec room down here. I want to label things, basement decor, upstairs decor, just so I kind of have an idea of what's going where once I actually start decorating. I won't start decorating for fall probably until Labor Day. Now, this video is a part of a challenge hosted by the Cleaning Queen. So she's doing a Falling into Fall series where she's going to have a series of DIYs, which you can check out on my DIY channel, Vesna TV. And she's also having some cleaning challenges as well. So this one was a fall decor organization challenge where you were to organize your fall decor. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing in the video. Now, the Cleaning Queen, aka Shoshana, has another channel. It's called Regal Designs with Shoshana. So please check out both of her channels. Subscribe if you haven't. And I'll have the link to her channels below in my description. So I'm going to start with that big bin labeled fall. So I'm finding some little pieces of decor that are either broken or I bought last year thinking I would redo them and I haven't had a chance. So I'm just putting them off on the side. I have some big pumpkins. Some of them I'm like this blue one. I'm not sure if I'll paint it or I'll keep it that way. I haven't decided yet. So I'm kind of making piles of what I'm keeping, what's Halloween, what I'm redoing, as I said before. These are cute little bags that I made, trick-or-treat bags that I made. I cut them out with my Cricut, and they're glow-in-the-dark. I made them for my boys for Halloween last year. If they're still, they're still pretty interested in dinosaurs and ghosts and Halloween and Mickey Mouse, so we'll probably reuse them. I may make them other ones, although I don't know that we're going to have Halloween this year, but if we do, that's the plan. So now that I emptied both of these bins, I'm going to also empty my bag that I had purchased at from the Dollar Tree, I got some more greenery, because some artificial flowers, because I will be making some other fall DIYs, so I needed some florals. So now what I'm doing, I'm just putting back all of the pumpkins and all of the fall decor, and I've determined that I have way too many pumpkins. Hopefully I have a home for all of them, but I think between the two floors I'll be able to find a home. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the florals that I don't think I'll need right away underneath this sign, and then on top I'm going to put the ones that I think I'm going to use for my next project. I've already divided the ones for Thursday's DIY. I just didn't show that, because you can see that on my DIY video. And now I just need to go through these decorations here. Most of these are outdoor decorations, except for the rats and a few little things over here. So these I'm just going to quickly go through and put them into the bin. Well, divide them into indoor Halloween and outdoor Halloween. So I'm still keeping with the 3 bins. Now I've labeled this one fall. I was not able to, at this point, decide what I'm going to put upstairs and what I'm going to put downstairs. So it's just fall for now. Once I do my decor, then I'll have a better idea. But I do have Halloween indoor and Halloween outdoor decorations. So if you like this video, if you want to see more organization, home decor, home tours, home decor, and cleaning videos and things like that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button if you liked what you saw, and hit the notification bell so you can see more. Make sure you check out the playlist. Make sure you check out the host. And thanks for stopping by, and have an excellent day.